These 5 hangover home remedies offer quick and simple natural solutions to help you to say goodbye to the dreaded headaches, nausea, and discomfort from too much drinking. Most of us have experienced the dizziness, fatigue, stomach ache and head pounding that comes with an awful hangover. Drinking too much puts a lot of strain on the body and the liver, so it's no wonder that you would feel the aftermath. Ideally, it's best to drink moderately to avoid that wretched morning after, but even the most responsible folks overindulge from time to time and need a bit of help to get through. Below you'll find 5 natural home remedies to support you after you drank too much. Coconut water. One problem that your body can face after a night of drinking is dehydration. Not only is liquor a diuretic, meaning that it causes you to urinate more, but it can also dehydrate you since you tend to urinate more liquid when you're consuming alcohol than when you're just consuming water or other beverages. Although it is great to drink water during and after alcohol consumption, water does not replace the lost electrolytes. Coconut water is naturally full of electrolytes like potassium, so you can replace them without having to turn to sugary, artificially colored, and flavored sports drinks, which can actually make things worse. You can also add coconut water to your favorite smoothie for added vitamins. It is best to use coconut water in hangover prevention as well. While you are out drinking, try your best to alternate between a glass of regular water and a glass of coconut water for every alcoholic beverage you consume. Ginger tea. One classic hangover symptom is ever-present nausea, queasiness, and an upset stomach. Ginger has been used for centuries to help with digestive issues, among other issues such as coughs, immune support, and more. It is even used currently to help pregnant women with morning sickness. Ginger tea is a great gentle way to ease a queasy stomach while also rehydrating at the same time. If you aren't used to the strong, sharp flavor of ginger, add honey to the tea. Make sure you get organic ginger tea to avoid pesticides. Activated charcoal. This is one tried and true method that myself and my husband have tried successfully many times. I got the tip from a nutritionist friend who said it works for her every time. However, in my experience, activated charcoal really needs to be taken during drinking as well as right after to really work. So keep a handful in your purse at all times just in case. It is unclear as to why activated charcoal works since the scientific research is limited. Activated charcoal is made up of particles that contain porous chambers that trap and bind with unwanted chemicals and gases, which are then flushed out through the digestive system. It is suspected that since activated charcoal binds to toxins to push them out through the digestive system, then maybe it binds to alcohol, which is a toxin, and helps to flush it out. Others think it may be that activated charcoal can help detox sugar and other additives that are commonly present in alcoholic drinks, which helps with hangovers. We've all heard how high sugar drinks can contribute to an even worse hangover. Milk thistle. Milk thistle has been used traditionally for hundreds of years, especially to support the liver. We know that the liver is the most taxed organ as a result of drinking. The liver is responsible for processing toxins to keep the rest of your body healthy. Since alcohol is a toxin, it makes the liver work harder when you drink heavily. Milk thistle helps to detoxify the liver and may also help with digestive upset. You can take 1 capsule with a meal 1 to 3 times during the day to help support your digestive system and liver after a night of drinking. This is also a good one to take daily to support liver health and daily detoxing. Vitamin B6. Drinking alcohol may deplete B vitamins from the body, plus B vitamins are needed to detox your body from alcohol. This may be why taking vitamin B6 can help with a hangover. One study done in 2000 found that taking B6 before, during, and after drinking helped participants with common hangover symptoms. It is important to note that vitamin B6 can interfere with certain medications, so be sure to talk to your doctor before taking it if you are on any prescription drugs.